Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our family. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. Today I'm going to show you how to create this intense black smoky eye look in a thorough detail. So if you're interested in this kind of look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start with priming my eyelids and I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. It is not coming out. I'm running out of this. I'm blending it out with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using this Morphe 35B along with this Juvia's Masquerade large one. But before that, I need to set my eye primer. So I'm using this Kryolan TL4 powder. Now my eyelids are totally ready to be colorful. I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil and going to smudge this on my outer portion of my eyelid, just like this, and the inner portion of my eyelid, just like this. Today I'm going to be doing something very intense, hollow eye look, and now I'm using this flat brush to blend it out. In my all videos, one thing is common which I used to say, that blending is the main thing. Again, I'm taking this black kajal and I'm just connecting this both. And the same thing, like just blend it out. And now I'm going to take a brown shade from this Juvia's Masquerade palette, and this shade is called Burkina, on my Beige Cosmetics Royal Affair brush. This is a small blending brush and I'm just going to blend out black shades. Now I'm switching to this fluffy brush by Morphe and I'm blending out again. Taking some black shade from that Morphe palette and going to place that. Again going to take this fluffy brush and I'm just blending without taking any shade on this brush. And now I'm using this FS38 base by Kryolan. Now I'm taking a flat concealer brush and I'm blending it. Now again taking black shade from Morphe eyeshadow palette and I'm blending the edges. Now I'm gonna take this shade from Juvia's palette. This shade is called Ada, and I'm going to blend that here. And in the middle, I'm gonna be using this shade called Giza. Ooh, the shimmer is fabulous. Now I'm going to grab a small flat brush by Morphe and taking that shade again, and I'm going to place that here. Now I'm going to be adding a glitter liner. This is not so much up to the mark, so I'm going to be using this Pearl Glitter shade by Miss Claire. And I'm using this white glitter liner just on the brush, and I'm going to add that here. Now moving to the lower lash line, and I'm going to be using the same kajal. And now taking some black eyeshadow, and I'm blending the lower lash line. And taking this brown shade a little bit on the brush, and I'm going to diffuse the edges of the black shadow. To highlight my eyebrow bone, I'm going to be using this Sivana highlighter. And for my inner corner, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter palette. So my this eye is almost done. Now I'm going to complete my this eye and gonna put some falsies, and I'll be right back. And to complete the whole look, I'm just going to add some highlighter over here. So I'm gonna grab my liquid highlighter. This is DIY, and I'm just showing you the result of this. And I'm just blending that with my beauty blender. See the glow I'm getting right now? It's awesome, no? If you also want this kind of glow without investing a lots of money in just one product, then please let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely going to share the DIY of this product. This is very budget friendly, and the result is just in front of you guys. The final look is completed, and my hair is looking dull today. I don't know why, I don't know what happened to my hair today. And I just wanna skip that also actually. I don't wanna say anything about my hair. This is okay, let's move on. So yeah, I love this kind of eye look. This is very intense, kind of a smoky spotlight eye look. So if you like this look, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the bell icon so it will be updated whenever I upload. If you want to see more crazy eye makeup looks, then please follow me on my Instagram, and if you want to see my bridal vlogs, then follow me on my Facebook page. Links are going to be in the description box below, and I'm sharing some previous vlogs of mine. You may like to watch this also. That's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Tata. Bye.